had them when I was just 7. Even there, the folks in town said with president's dies, bad boys not right. 3 years ago when I came to know Mary, first time with someone who looked beyond the rumors and the lies, and saw the man inside.